Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Point. Now we are going to talk about pointers in C programming language. So what are the pointers? How these are used in our C programming language? We are going to talk about that. So pointers are the variables which store the address of any other variable. Okay, so what can be that other variable? That other variable can be of any type. It can be of integer type, float type, double type, or even a pointer type. So what is a pointer? Pointer is a variable. So what variable does? Variable store some value. Okay, so what does it stores? It stores the address of some other variable. Okay, so some other variable, it store the address of that, it will store the address of it. So what is the size of a pointer? The size of a pointer in C is 8 byte. Okay, so size of a C pointer is 8 byte. Doesn't matter it is store the address of character, float, or pointer itself, or integer. So the size of a pointer is fixed, that is 8 byte, but the size of other variables is not fixed, like character is 1 byte, integer is 2 byte, float is 4 byte, like that. Size of pointer is 8 byte. Okay, and this is the meaning of pointer. So what we are doing in here, so to show some variable that is a pointer, we use a asterisk symbol. Okay, so for the first time when we are using this asterisk with the data type, b is a pointer which points to the variable of type integer. Okay, so b is a, so asterisk says that b is a pointer, and this data type says that this b is pointing to a variable of type integer. Now what we are doing, we are storing our address of a inside b. Okay, so we can do that because a is of type integer, and now also we can give the address of a and store into the b. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are just printing this message, enter a number, and we are using our scanf function. So what scanf is going to do, in scanf we are taking the input from user, so we can just write directly b, or we can also, usually we write address of a. So in this case, if you want, then you can write b also, because the same information is stored in b, that is the address of a, so we can do that. And after that, when we will be printing what the value will be printed by the user plus 30 will be printed. So this is the concept of pointer in C. So pointer is a variable that stores the address of some other variable, and the size of pointer is 8 byte. So this is the basic thing, and after that we have used this in our code. So just run this code.c. and now it will be asking for a number, and I'm just entering 100, and yeah, 130 is printed. Once again, I'm repeating this, what we have done in here. We have just given the value a is equals to 20 in here. A is of type integer. We are taking an pointer of integer type, and after that we are giving the address of a and storing to the b, and now we are printing a message. After that we are taking a value from user and storing into our variable a, so that value will be altered. In this case I have entered 100, and after that 100 per 30, 130 will be printed as a output. So this is the concept of pointer. So we will be taking more examples and implement our pointers. So thank you so much.